Today's recipe is a simple and refreshing veg salad without any mayonnaise, but it is creamy and delicious. We're going to start off with 3 tablespoons of plain unsweetened yogurt. I just place the yogurt on a strainer over a bowl and you can see a lot of the water drips off. You can also hang it in a muslin cloth if you like. You should end up with about 2 tablespoons of thick hung yogurt, into which add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. It is important to add some oil to your salad because the fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E and K get dissolved in the oil and helps you with your nutrition. Next, add some salt to taste and add a pinch of garlic powder. You can also use crushed garlic if you wish. Add a pinch of mustard powder for some kick. A 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes if you like, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander stems that adds a beautiful taste. Squeeze some lime juice. Don't squeeze too much if your yogurt is already sour to start with. I am a fan of cheese and this dressing is incomplete without Parmesan cheese. I added in a tablespoon and whisked this into a smooth dressing. I like to make the dressing inside the same bowl into which I'm going to be adding the veggies. It just makes it easier to mix everything together. I added 1/2 cup of cabbage, a 1/4 cup of carrot, a 1/4 cup of sliced tomatoes. I scooped the seeds and the pulp out, and 1/2 cup of bell pepper. I used green and orange. And that's it. We are going to combine everything together. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe if you want exciting recipes like this every week. Alright, we're going to garnish with some more Parmesan cheese. I can never have enough of cheese. Some more red chili flakes if you like it hot. And instead of croutons, I'm adding some roasted walnuts. You can add any roasted nuts of your choice. That's it, your refreshing veg salad is ready. For more veg salad recipes, check out my apple cabbage coleslaw and this delicious veg Thai salad. So alright my friends, that's all for today. If you are on any of these different social media sites, you can find me there. And for written recipes, you can always visit my blog. All the links are in the description. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for exciting recipes every week. Don't forget to press the notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. Bye-bye.